Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today's quick tip is regarding your embossing folders. The quick tip is going to help to make sure that you understand the difference between the embossed and the de-embossed side of your embossing folders. The Stampin' Up! Logo along with the Sizzix logo will be on the front of the embossing folder. So I've got a piece here of Emerald Envy cardstock and I'm going to slip that on the front of my card right down in here like a little slip cover because I want to emboss the front. By making sure that the words are the front, it's going to give you a raised image. If you were to accidentally or purposefully put it this way, what's going to happen and when you emboss is the image is going to be de-embossed inside the paper. A lot of people don't know that, and I thought it would be a great tip for you. So let me give you an actual example. I'm going to emboss this with the raised image facing forward. I've got my Big Shot here. I've got my regular Big Shot platform, clear cutting mat or protective mat for the bottom. Here's that sandwich we just created. I'm going to lay that here. I prefer to put the open end of my embossing folder into the Big Shot first. It creates less stress on the crease of the folder. Another clear mat over the top, and then we're going to crank this through. The thicker the folder, you're going to find that you have to have a little more muscle power. Popping at the end is all normal. You haven't broken anything. So don't let that concern you. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And again, here is the front of our embossing folder where the words are. And you can see here that it is embossed, that the images are raised. On the inside, they're de-embossed. Well, let's just assume that you've made a mistake. You know what you can do? You can invert the card and just flip it around, and then you'll have an alternative. Sometimes when we're designing, we may later decide we want the de-embossed side versus the embossed side. It's quickly and easily fixed to give you just the right look. But having that tip about knowing which end faces forward will also provide some insight to when you create your projects. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you would like complimentary copies of the current catalog, I would be happy to send them to you. Just leave me a comment below. I hope today's tip has been helpful for you. Thanks so much for stopping by, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.